All right, here we go with the April 11th edition of the Carolina weather video. My apologies for missing the last couple of days. I've been under the weather, battling some type of stomach bug, but back to, I don't know, 70% or so today. So back at it here and have the latest edition of the video ready for you. Lots to talk about. Big storm system over the weekend, and we'll talk about some longer range ideas, and that all follows some really nice warmer weather coming as we go through the latter stages of this week. Now, there's a look at Winston-Salem State University during the 5 a.m. hour. Temperature 45 in Winston-Salem. Notice some clouds overhead. Same deal in Charlotte this morning. Do have some clouds, and there's even been some sprinkles here and there as a little disturbance is moving on through. But as that disturbance exits, we'll have sunshine building in as we get deeper into the day. These are highs yesterday. Nice day, and I think comparable temperatures in many spots for highs today. Low to mid 60s across the Triad viewing region yesterday. Charlotte region 60s for highs in the foothills and the Piedmont, some low 50s in the mountains. Again, there's your temperatures later in the 5 a.m. hour this morning. All right, so again, some clouds, a few sprinkles here and there as this disturbance is moving through, but that'll be exiting. Very quiet upstream. You have to go all the way to the Rocky Mountain region and points west to find any activity early this morning with our next developing storm system. That is still multiple days away. So you look at Futurecast, again, it stays quiet for us over the next couple of days, but that system emerging into the plain states as we get into Friday, and that'll start maybe a multi-day round of severe weather concerns, which I'll show you in just a second. Today we are in good shape, high pressure. That'll mean increasing amounts of sunshine as we progress deeper into the day. There's your highs this afternoon. Not too bad at all. Big warming trend tomorrow. The southwesterly flow very well established on the backside of that high pressure. And look at these high temperatures tomorrow afternoon. There come the 70s. A lot of 70s on the board. Friday will be even warmer. A sunny, warm, breezy day. Now, at the same time, while we enjoy the warm and dry day, look at the thunderstorms firing back over the southern plain states. More on that in just a second. But there's your highs Friday afternoon. A lot of 80s creeping onto the board in parts of the Carolinas. Now, while we enjoy a warm and dry day, big thunderstorm threat as we get into Friday and Friday night. That is a Category 3 or enhanced risk of severe weather. That's pretty significant for a Day 3 outlook there from Missouri into Arkansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana. And you look at the instability values here from the European model. A lot of very unstable air cranking ahead of that system of the southern plain states later Friday. We go out to Saturday evening. The thunderstorm threat shifts to parts of the lower Mississippi Valley and the Tennessee Valley. And then by later Sunday, that potential moves into the Carolinas. So I think for most of the Carolinas, we're dry Saturday. So your weekend plans Saturday look okay. Sunday, a different story. We'll have that round of showers and thunderstorms moving in, and I think we do need to carefully monitor the severe weather potential with this from Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. And not just severe weather. It could be a decent rain producer, too. There's the European model rain totals up over an inch in many spots. The 0Z run of the GFS was even more impressive with some big numbers being indicated. Let me show you a few other models here. We'll go back to the GFS modeling, and there's its representation for Sunday evening. Those showers and storms moving through. Instability values on the GFS. There's Sunday early afternoon, and then there's Sunday evening. And a different perspective of the European model instability values are Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, and then into the overnight hours Sunday night. So we need to watch this all very carefully. Now, longer term, this is the European model ensemble mean, 5,000 foot temperature deviation from average. So this is the look at Saturday. That's the warmer air we're talking about to wrap up this week. A little shot of some cooler air around Monday of next week, but then I think we're pretty warm as we get into the midweek period, Tuesday and Wednesday next week. But then another shot of cooler air. This is out at Thursday evening of next week. And even still kind of a coolish looking pattern around the 23rd of April, Monday, the 23rd. So people were asking if we're done with the cold air. Not entirely. Are we done with the frost and freeze potential? I can't totally rule that out just yet entirely. A lot of the region might be done with frost and freezes, but I just can't give the all clear as of yet, with the potential for another shot or two of colder air down the road. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.